Most car owners are flushing thousands of dollars down the drain because they don't know these 15 industry secrets. I've spent nearly 2 decades as a professional mechanic, and I'm telling you, repair shops and detailers pray you never find out about these. Some of these hacks are actually built-in features your car manufacturer hid in the manual, while others use simple chemistry to outperform expensive shop chemicals. Let's save you some serious cash. Trick number 15, essential oil clothespin freshener. That new car scent spray you buy at the gas station, it's mostly alcohol and synthetic fragrance that vanishes in 48 hours. Instead, grab a standard wooden clothespin. Wood is porous, making it the perfect natural diffuser. Apply 5 drops of a high-quality essential oil, like peppermint for alertness or eucalyptus for that clean smell, directly to the wood. Clip it to your vent. When the HVAC ticks on, the airflow pulls the scent through the cabin. While a $10 hanging tree dies in a week, a $5 bottle of oil lasts a year. You aren't just masking odors, you're controlling the environment for pennies. Trick number 14, Vaseline exterior scratch concealer. It's a gut punch when you find a fresh scuff on your door. Body shops will quote you $200 for a buff and blend, but if the scratch is just in the clear coat, you can hide it with petroleum jelly. Vaseline has a refractive index similar to automotive clear coat. By filling the microscopic valley of the scratch with the jelly and buffing it level with the microfiber, you change how light reflects off the surface. The scratch effectively vanishes to the naked eye. It's a temporary fix, especially after a wash, but for a big date or a car sale, it's a pro-tier vanishing act that costs a fraction of a cent. Trick number 13, orange baking soda headlight restoration. Driving at night with foggy, yellowed headlights is scary. You can't see as far, and other drivers can't see you. New headlight assemblies can easily run $150 to $300 each, plus labor. Instead, grab an orange and some baking soda. Cut the orange in half, dip the cut side generously into baking soda, and rub it over the headlight in steady circular motions for 2 to 3 minutes per side. The citric acid and mild abrasive action work together to break down the oxidized plastic layer causing the cloudiness. Rinse thoroughly with water and wipe dry. For better longevity, follow up with a good UV protectant spray or wax after it dries. This combo can bring surprising clarity back in minutes for pennies. An orange and box of baking soda cost next to nothing compared to professional restoration or replacement. Just remember, if your headlights are heavily pitted, this is a quick refresh, not a permanent fix. You may eventually need proper sanding and sealing. How bad are your headlights right now? Be honest in the comments. Trick number 12, coffee grounds odor absorber. That stale, musty smell that builds up after the car sits for a few days, or worse after a spill or humid weather, can make every drive unpleasant. Air fresheners just mask it, they don't fix the root cause. Dry coffee grounds are one of nature's best odor absorbers. Fill a small open container, old sock, or even a coffee filter with fresh or used dried grounds and tuck it under the seats, in the cup holders, or in the trunk. Leave it for 24 to 48 hours. The grounds pull moisture and odors out of the air instead of covering them up. Replace every few weeks or when they stop working. A bag costs around $5 and goes a long way. This also helps fight mildew before it starts. Pro detailers charge $50 to $100 for odor treatments that sometimes just spray perfume. This is cheaper and actually removes the smell. What's the worst smell you've had to fight in your car? Let me know below. Trick number 11, upside down steering wheel sun protection. This is a logic hack that costs $0. When you park in direct sun, the top of your steering wheel acts as a heat sink, often reaching 140 degrees Fahrenheit or 60 degrees Celsius. When you jump back in, you can't even hold the wheel to exit the parking lot. The fix, before you turn the key off, rotate the wheel 180 degrees. Now the part you actually grip for driving is tucked at the bottom, shielded from direct UV by the steering column and dashboard. When you return, flip it back. The top is now cool to the touch. It's so simple, yet 99% of people never think to do it. Trick number 9, shaving cream fabric seat cleaner. Professional upholstery cleaner is basically just high pH soap and foam. You have the exact same thing in your bathroom, foaming shaving cream. The foam is key because it prevents the liquid from soaking deep into the seat cushion, which causes mold. Apply it to a stain, work it in with a soft brush, and let the surfactants lift the dirt to the surface. Wipe it away with a damp cloth. It works on coffee, mud, and even makeup. Why pay $150 for an interior detail when you have a $3 can of foam in your cabinet? Trick number 8, Cobra method windshield cleaning. Stop wiping in circles. Circular motions just redistribute the oils and dirt you're trying to remove, leading to those blinding nighttime streaks. Pros use the Cobra or S pattern. Start at the top corner and move horizontally, looping back in a continuous S shape. This ensures you are always pushing the dirt down and off the glass rather than swirling it back into the center. It's the difference between a clean windshield and a transparent windshield. Do you struggle with glare when driving toward the sun? This technique is the cure. Trick number 8, WD-40 door seal conditioner. Your door seals are made of EPDM rubber. Over time, they dry out, shrink, and let in wind noise and rain. A light wipe of WD-40, or better yet, silicone spray, keeps the rubber supple and prevents it from sticking to the metal frame in freezing temperatures. If you've ever had your car door frozen shut in winter, it's because the rubber was dry. This 60-second maintenance hack prevents a $400 bill for torn weather stripping later. Trick number 7, hold lock autolock activation. Most people think autolock is a premium upgrade. In reality, many vehicles from the last 15 years have it asleep in the computer. Try this. Sit in the car, turn the ignition to on, and hold the power lock button for 5 to 10 seconds. If you hear a chirp or see the light flash, you've just programmed your car to lock the doors automatically when you hit 10 miles per hour or put it in gear. No more "did I lock the door" panic. Check your manual for your specific cheat code. Trick number 6, Vaseline dashboard restorer. Sun-baked dashboards fade, crack, and look old fast. Expensive protectants promise miracles, but often deliver temporary shine. A tiny amount of Vaseline on the microfiber cloth, rubbed in circular motions, can restore moisture and give a natural-looking finish. Use just a dime-sized dollop. Buff thoroughly so there's no greasy residue. It works on door panels, consoles, and other vinyl or plastic trim too. It helps slow future UV damage when used regularly. A $3 jar lasts a year. It isn't a single-purpose product. Avoid over-applying or using on touchscreens in high-wear areas where slipperiness could be an issue. How does your dashboard look right now? Trick number 5, steering wheel lock anti-theft. Parking in sketchy areas makes everyone nervous about theft. Fancy alarms are great, but there's a free mechanical feature most drivers underuse. After turning the car off, turn the steering wheel firmly left or right until it locks with a click. This engages the steering column lock, making it extremely difficult for a thief to drive away even if they hotwire it. It only works if you turn it far enough to feel and hear the lock engage. It's been standard on cars for decades and still works even if the battery's dead. Aftermarket wheel locks cost money and can sometimes be defeated. This is simple mechanical security that takes 2 seconds. Always combine it with locking your doors and using common sense. Do you engage the steering lock every time? Trick number 4, Apple windshield cleaner. That hazy film from road grime, bugs, and exhaust can make driving stressful, especially in rain. Cut a fresh apple in half and rub the juicy side over the glass in circles to help break down oily buildup, and the sugars can create a slight water-repelling effect that makes future cleaning easier. Let it sit briefly, then wipe clean with a damp cloth and finish with your usual method. It's surprisingly effective for quick touch-ups and costs less than $1. Great for windshields and even headlights in a pinch. Not a full replacement for proper cleaners, but a clever natural boost. Truckers and detailers have used variations of this for years. Have you ever tried fruit on glass? Trick number 3, hidden under-seat storage compartment. Manufacturers are obsessed with packaging. If you drive an SUV or a truck, look under the bottom cushion of your rear seats. Many models have hidden bins designed for tools or emergency gear that owners never even realize are there. Pop the seat up or look for a small pull strap. You might find several cubic feet of storage you've been missing for years. It's the perfect spot for a first aid kit or a spare quart of oil. Trick number 2, magic eraser interior stain remover. Scuff marks on the plastic door seals, those black streaks from your shoes, a regular rag won't touch them. A magic eraser is made of melamine foam, which acts like an extremely fine sandpaper, about 3,000 to 5,000 grit. Dip in it and lightly, very lightly, swipe the scuff. It'll erase the mark off the plastic in seconds. Just be careful on painted surfaces. Save this for the hard interior plastics where detailers usually struggle. Trick number 1, tire filling pressure chime alert. Guessing tire pressure at the gas station air pump is frustrating. Underinflated wastes fuel and wears tires unevenly. Overinflated risks blowouts. Many modern cars, especially certain Nissan, GM, and other models, have a built-in tire fill alert. Turn the ignition to on without starting the engine. Start adding air, and the car often flashes the hazards. When you hit the correct PSI, the horn chirps once. If you overfill, it may give extra alerts. Most people spend 10 minutes checking a gauge. You can finish all 4 tires in 2 minutes without ever looking at a screen. Does your car do this? Check your manual. It's a life changer.